Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies eggless. We'll explore fantastic ways to achieve that rich, fudgy texture you love, all without using any eggs. Whether you're dealing with an allergy, dietary preference, or just ran out of eggs, this guide has you covered. Get ready to bake some truly amazing treats that everyone can enjoy. We'll dive into specific substitutes and techniques to ensure your eggless brownies are absolutely perfect every single time. There are several excellent substitutes for eggs in brownies. Mashed ripe banana is a popular choice, providing moisture and a subtle sweetness. Use about 1/4 cup for each egg. Applesauce also works wonderfully, adding moisture and a slight tang, again, about 1/4 cup per egg. For a more neutral option, a flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water is fantastic. Silken tofu, blended smooth, can also be used at 1/4 cup per egg, contributing to a fudgy texture. When going eggless, a few recipe adjustments can make a big difference. You might need to slightly increase your leavening agents, like baking powder or baking soda, by about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon to help with rise. Adding a little extra fat, perhaps 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil or melted butter, can compensate for the moisture and richness eggs provide. A small amount of vinegar, about 1/2 teaspoon, can also activate baking soda for a better lift. Always ensure your ingredients are at room temperature for smooth mixing. Achieving the perfect texture in eggless brownies is all about careful baking. First, avoid overmixing the batter. Mix only until the ingredients are just combined to prevent tough brownies. Consider baking at a slightly lower temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for a few extra minutes to ensure even cooking. Test for doneness with a toothpick inserted into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Finally, and this is crucial, let your brownies cool completely in the pan before attempting to cut them for clean, fudgy squares.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.